hard one. Given an array of heights representing histograms bar height, where the width of the bar is 1, return area of the largest rectangle in the histogram. Okay. So it's like the running maximum, probably DP. So if it's like 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, then probably for number in this heights, you so ij, then you do like, you know, like 2 is the maximum, and then if there's anything that's less, I guess, than this one, then it's like the difference in the indexes, so like, and then +1 times the minimum that's seen in this iteration, and then you kind of just, yeah, you kind of just keep going out, and then your maximum here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probably a pretty slow way to do it. 10 to the 4th. I guess, yeah. Maybe, so instead of, yeah. I just need the min, actually, so. Yeah, and then, oh, actually I need a start timer. So then here you would have, you know, your maximum as 6, and then the next one you have a maximum of 5. And then the next one, you would have a, so if it's a maximum of 5, then we keep the 6 from the previous, and then this is 5, and then 5 times 2 is 10, and then 2 times 6 is 6, and then we don't. So basically, we could kind of just keep dragging these rectangles out towards the right, and it doesn't matter. I don't think you have to do 2 sweeps, because, for instance, if I wanted to go left with this 3, that's going to be already covered. Like if I want to draw this rectangle, it would have been covered iterating through this 5. If that makes sense. So So the thing here with this second loop is if h is here, then this won't go, so I can't put everything inside here. Then that means at the beginning, I actually just need to say for example, because what if the last one was like 99999, then this would skip it. Anyway, so there's a running minimum, and then we would do heights of next edge, or sorry, next edge subtracted by edge. So in this case, like 2, so +1, and then multiplied by the local min. So in this case, the local min is 2, and then the next one local min is 1. I mean, I don't know why this is hard. It took like 5 minutes to do it, or I guess like 6 or 7, depending on the. I guess it depends on the video, but maybe this is too slow. Okay. I could do some optimizations where it's like if the thing is 1, then we know for the rest of it. But what if it's all 2s? You know, like you don't really know if some index ahead of you is gonna be 2 or lower unless you do like multiple passes. But minus h. Yeah, times 1. So like this doesn't. So there should be a -1, but there's a +1, so they annihilate each other, and then the local min is just 1, and then just continue. Then we don't have to visit the inner loop. But if it's all 2s and we're out of time, then I kind of give up because I don't really care about the solution. Oh, there is 0. Fine. There is 0. So but then this is wrong because then the 1 won't be able to know how long each intervals of 1 is. So I'm gonna go with the timeout. Yeah, close enough. I just want to know if like, okay, yeah. So this is a performance test, which I really don't care about. So let's call it 5-6 minutes. I need to look at the tape, but that's this problem.